This channel generates thousands of dollars in 6 different ways, all from a niche with minimal competition, where videos are incredibly easy to produce thanks to artificial intelligence. Just a handful of these videos can skyrocket your account, gaining traction fast. With many of these channels get millions of views, and here's one of their popular videos. The wildest part? Some people genuinely believe the videos are real, sparking tons of reactions and comments, which causes the TikTok algorithm to boost them even more. With just a few uploads like this, your channel could explode. The main challenge in this niche is generating the right images, but no worries, I've got you covered. Since I care about my subscribers, I'll show you how to create these videos and start making money from them. The niche we're diving into revolves around relaxation and adorable animals. The first step is to generate prompts using ChatGPT. For example, I asked ChatGPT to generate 10 prompts describing different cute animals playing in the water, underwater, or performing other cute, relaxing activities that I can use to generate AI images. Each image prompt should be hyper-realistic and resolution should be close to 8K. It should capture every detail of the animal. I want each image prompt detailed, and it must include the environment of the animal, every detail of the animal, and the resolution of each image prompt. The animal should be the main focus of the image. So, after doing that, you click enter, just wait a few seconds, and here we go. Our prompts are ready. Next, let's head over to Leonardo AI to create the images. I'll guide you through how to generate an endless number of photos with different animals and scenarios. For instance, switching from a dog to a sloth or adding a snowy background can give you countless unique posts. Once the images are good to go, we'll animate them with Kling AI. Simply upload the image, insert the prompt, and boom, you've got your animation. Plus, Kling AI allows you to extend video duration without compromising quality. To wrap things up, we'll add sound effect and music using CapCut. Set the aspect ratio to 9.16, layer in ambient sounds and background music, and then export your video. The example I'm showing has summer vibes, Now here's how this channel earns through 6 income streams. First, there's the TikTok creativity program. On top of that, they bring in revenue through donations, selling magnets, and by selling products on Etsy, Redbubble, and Amazon like t-shirts and coloring books. First, if you're thinking of starting a channel like this, make sure to monetize it through these methods.